On July 9, 2026, the Manson Grange held a ribbon-cutting ceremony to celebrate the completion of its new ADA accessible ramp, a milestone in the Grange's ongoing capital improvement program and a symbol of how far the organization has come in just a few short years. The driving force behind the many improvements at the Grange is the Capital Improvement Committee, which originally consisted of Terry Carlton, Phyllis Coleman, Debbie Conwell, Hal Killians, and Christine Olson. The committee was formed in 2022 after Larry Hibbard of Hibbard Architecture encouraged committee members to start seeking grants that would allow the Grange to make much-needed upgrades to the historic Grange building.
Hello everybody, welcome to the ribbon cutting for our ramp at the Manson Grange. It has been a long time coming, and this building being built in the 1940s, we're just so excited that we can upgrade it and get some repairs going in this building. This ramp we started around 3 years ago, and through many donations and grants we have got the funds to get it finished, and we're so thankful for our capital improvement committee at the Grange. We also have state funds that were huge in getting this project complete, and Representative Mike Steele is with us today. We have the Lakeshland Community Services Council and the Community Foundation of North Central Washington. So thank you, Chamber, Manson Chamber, Chelan Chamber, for all you have done to get this complete and more access to our wonderful Manson Community Center, the Manson Grange.
But you know, the Manson Grange, way back in 1923, was the original organization that brought together and took care of this community that we call home. To see it still carrying out its sincere contribution to our quality of life and ensuring that all community members and visitors can take part in is a grand contribution to all of us here in Manson. From Historic Manson Main Street Association and the Manson Chamber of Commerce, congratulations, Manson Grange 796. Your founders would be very proud of you.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Let it clear out so you can be the first.
Are we going up?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.